Never make a man tell you he doesn't want you more than once. He's told you in 90 different ways that he doesn't want you. When he doesn't come home, when he doesn't talk to you, when he doesn't share like he used to. That's saying, I don't want you. And that doesn't have anything to do with your value as a person. Women often, we've invested so much time and money in a guy, we just can't cut our losses and go. But it never gets better. Never beg anybody to love you. It never works.
Early Monday morning, I will file for a divorce and give you your freedom that you want. You will find back your soul. When I am out of your life, free freedom. I am sorry for taking you out of your country, Jamaica. After the divorce, you can go back home to your normal happy life. So me message you that after you say, you gotta take me career. Then you say, I am home, stupid. LOL. You brought me here. It took me 31 years, crazy, cause my name crazy. It took me 31 years, crazy, but I'm home. It took you 31 years, but you're home. When you think going back home when I'm home, or if you think I'm to go back home when I'm home, you're truly crazy. Live for the life. See you on the gram soon. I said, okay. Then I said, really? I brought you here. I thought I only took your soul and disrespect you, cause I'm the world's only and most disrespectful woman. It takes one stupid to know another stupid. That's my reply. Sleep tight. Me need the gram for myself like you. Crazy Queenie. Remember, me is a cruff. Me no old meds, me worthless. Me no have no shame, just like you. The way you shame me, me no have no shame. Oh, you think me and you queer? Me no have no shame, just like you. Oh, you taught me. Oh, me not taught you. So you saying I'm not shame, like how me teacher if you not have no shame. If me the teacher good, you would run or left me. When you did that, when them did that diss me upon the integrate and say me treat you bad, I'm a abuser. I said, do it. Remember enough things they do me, I'm not tell nobody, go and stand up for your wife. And he said, no, go back for no gram. You have to delete your page too. So when you come show off for me, remember, I make you famous. I make people love you. I make people respect you. I put you in a June plum. I make you have 50,000 followers, so I'm free 3,000 followers. I make you fly per plane 3 times in a 6 months. You slide per silver suitcase. So you dish me so look airport argument or whatever you have me up for and could talk. And you left me long blood. I'm enough to behave some. Oh no, go ya. My behave and feel satisfied. I lose, but I win for behave back over behave. So because my behave, I win. So leave me alone. All right. Wait say again now. So you say sleep tight. Oh, this is my reach. So you say you don't have no shame, just say like how I talk here. Me and you, Queen, thank you for bringing me home. I'm say you're welcome. So at least you tell me thanks like how I tell you thank you for married to me. That nice. As some say, let's go, baby. Ready for you to end my career. Join the club. He said, no, baby, I'm starting you off with a no. No, with a no. 1, no lie. No lie, just like, oh, you finish me. No lie, just like, oh, you finish me off to the people them and you're royal crazy. Let's see if the world love you for the truth. Queen Lady Gangster, there or live, you want live, me I go give you live, baby. You compete with me. You want to give me life? You are lying. But them say me a lie, she's lying, royal crazy. That him say me a lie. You know, say, you try mind, you know, say, all me I say, you idiot, you're not idiot. You try mind test, me I read, because I couldn't read half of my brain, so. But you want me show them. So why you gonna say she's lying, royal crazy? Because you want me show them, so you press me. So you have somebody behind you, I write down notes, I say, see there? See there, she go back on live. See there, she read out you something. May I press block when me ready? You said me lose, everybody get this. You said me lose, me take press. You said me lose, me not give a flying. You see my husband, we run a gun left. Me done every me can done for feel better about myself. So come to come tell me what lie me I tell. A lie me I tell? Do if I this to make you rate me and respect me, that not gonna make you rate me and respect me because you done me and your people them done blood conclusion already. And so because me know that, you hear that? Remember when you call me and said to me this evening, you know? So you press me. It's because I'm a husband, may I give what you want. Your advice. May I have more for play. Remember when you called me this evening, the first thing you said to me, say, you want to know if everything all right. I say, what you mean? You want to know if everything all right, because you want to know if you go there in England, you go all right for there on the place. So I say, what does that mean? You say, if I don't know. I say, I done long time. Me not have no time for that. Me not go get up every day and cuss to somebody when I cuss me, war for somebody when I war for me. So how now you tell them royal crazy she's lying? You look attention, don't mind you. Chat it up. You just a piss me off the fuck. Watch me for do it. Don't leave me alone, do it. Leave me alone. Please. Me do what me want to do for my own, do it. Leave me alone, do it. Please, me I beg you. Remember for all this, me I beg you see me in the advice, you know. Me say, do it. You say anything me do, forgive me. Me don't know what else to do. I'm confused and I give up. Me say, your grandmother, when me get her name, honor and forgive me. Make if you leave, do you leave in peace? Or you can call me and me can call you. And say, my husband, I miss you. Do it, I beg you. Come on. And the way you said to me, say, you don't talk now, go on back in the house now. I say, never had a remember good now, baby. And you say, no, you're going now. I say, when you go, take your freedom, baby. Me a torture you doing. I say, I love you too much for seeing you happy around me. It's true. I love do it too much for see the way I do me them little profile on stage. And then when everybody attack him happy, come on. You deserve better. You don't deserve me. I'm too old for you. I'm too smart. I'm too speedy. I'm too loud. I'm too disgraceful. And because I love you, I leave you. So regardless, my cuts to let out my steam. I don't want to provoke you. And that's the God Almighty truth. I don't want to antagonize you, do it. I don't want to look like the saddest call, because it's not the saddest call. I miss the fact, the fact that you got it hurt me, it burned me. And that's the truth. Yeah? Leave me alone, do it. This too shall pass. Do you make your choice? You leave, and fourth you running from me now. Me no want no more of that. Me stay by myself. You say me see you run with you, but I say, this is getting beyond the joke. Come on. You want me feel bad and drop down like me the worst woman. Me not do nothing. All me I say to you, say, come on. Your brethren attack. And you and him argue because him say I go quote and him want money. And Penn say you go send me the money and him this year and I say this. And I say, me never know say you come to England for work and send money go give Bridget at Jamaica for go a quote. You go say me make the man this year. So what me for me make the man better this year before me your wife? You go tell me you say you hear me talk with me. You can't tell me that. Me go defend you. It is embarrassing. When you come back over here at trouble, my father, leave me alone, do it. Come on, do it. Be restless. Remember another voice note what you say now? You say me now, me say you for be a man, and you be a man now, but you still not show me where you be a man with. Me say, where you want to be a man with? You say, May I try to take away your soul of your manhood? Then you say,
everything. Okay, go take that.
this is so embarrassing, you know. Since me have a husband and before him talk to me, him continue to provoke me, you know. Do it. Jesus Christ, do it. Are you train your botany, you know, do it. Do it, leave me alone, you know, do it. Do it, me beg you, you know, do it. I'm not ashamed, I'm not business, it's embarrassing, you know, do it. I said, do it. You give me a name. I'm surprised when you say you are married to me. Now you come. You tell me you don't want to stay here. I'm too whatever you answer, the little stupidness them. Bare little stupidness me you argue for me. I say, no, this man have no feelings for me. This man gone off for me. Come on. I'm a day here do it. Me not tell nobody per internet. When me see I scrub and I go out with the same attitude, every man who wake could tell one another morning. And that's it. Nothing else not good for the day. Morning. If we do talk 1 and 2 times, come on, do it. And when I get here and I say to you, say, brother, this is a disgrace. Don't make the people them win. So I put all upon me, darling. Me in a business. You know, ask so much money make. You know, look on it. You know, check nothing. Must call your cuff. You know, business with nothing. Me and you are one. And me and your progress here, you know. Crazy. Me no want you know, do allow me. The way every time I remember some things. So you might not load per internet, do leave me alone. You say crazy. It better, it better go on my ways because me more prosperous. I'm say, but do it. Look how much prosperous and success since me there with you. So you know, take gratitude for where the power where me you get. You say, no, crazy. It better if you if my break up because you always have said me hold it down. Hold it down when you cuss you, but what I'm doing what you see for yourself. Do it, leave me alone and not do it. Leave me and not do it. Do it. You saw the people them class me and disrespect me. I'm all the time defend myself and you not defend me. Do it. No, why you want mad me? Because I'm not stop you from doing you doing a baby. If you all of the girl them I promise your baby you not do it. Me tell you go and go get your baby them come. Me not care come in again and that's God Almighty. I'm in a business a girl want to get 100 baby kind of me and mind. Forget up and make breakfast for them. Me can't get up and fret about man and blood. Anybody have baby, all them I go say a Queenie husband baby. And whatever when I get behind that and have nothing to do me, and by law, my husband child supposed to be me, my responsibility as well, but me not take up that come and take away your soul. So don't allow me, you know. Don't allow me. It is embarrassing. The whole of my family them turn against me. I love this. I said, do it. All my family them turn against me because of this. Do it. I'm going through a lot. Do it. I mean, if you expect me to lock up in the house and mad. But me there, I'm going to make sure, not trouble you. If I say my peace Tuesday, I love you. Leave me alone, do it. Stop provoke me, do it. You don't want to be with me, you don't want me, do it. You don't love me no more, you don't care about me, do it. Leave me, baby. Me still I give you little props, darling. Me still I said to you, said, do it. Me said, do it. Remember we're married. Remember you give me a name. I beg you, baby, do it, leave me alone, do it. Me a cross in that Dexter that say, love me. Yeah, hear me? Leave me. I wonder, this can't be real. Oh, what's up? You know, the people that married life fight for foolishness? No, sir. Never see this. This better out of hand, man.